What is it?
Foam.
Did you get a whole box of foam?
Yeah?
Is that it?
No?
Is it just foam? Ellie, don't make a mess. What's in there? What?
What is this? What is this? What the? I think I only need one. Mom, open this.
Hey, Ellie.
Wait, Ma.
So what is this for?
Is this a lantern?
What do you do with that?
I don't know.
Do you say Happy Halloween? Wow, Eliana, look at...
A princess outfit? I always wanted a princess outfit. Oh, but I need a crown. And shoes.
Eliana, look at this.
Oh my gosh. I'm sitting in here.
What do you think of that beautiful dress? Do you have, you know, I'm making a movie for Munga right now. Is there anything you want to say to her?
Thank you.
What do you think? Is it the most gorgeous thing you've ever seen?
Yes. And I can play dress up with it.
Yeah. And look at this.
What is that?
Will that make you so safe? That's your magical fairy Halloween wand for when walking around on Halloween. What do you think of that?
Where do you push it?
So look at I want you to look at the camera right now. Right here. What do you have to say to Munga?
Thank you, Munga.